Hello everyone, how are you? I hope you all are fine. I hope you all are staying at home and taking all precautionaries and also enjoying learning. So student, we MGMs also involve students. We are always done the best. Now student, once again I am Rashmi Gupta in the front of you with the help of new platform of digital learning. So for that we need your cooperations and constant support. So please be attention in the class. Okay. So student, now we are going to start your first chapter of your computer book, that is a evolution of computer. Okay, so now we are going to start the first part of this lesson. And the first part of this lesson, that is the history of computer. Okay, so we are going to start by the PPT. So please student, be attention during the PPT. Okay, so let me start. Okay, so student, this is the first computer. So earlier computer were very big in a size. So this computer is only by scientists and engineers for complex calculation, and these computers were very expensive. But nowadays computer can be afforded by small organizations and even individuals. Okay. Computer is derived from the word compute, which means to calculate. What is the meaning of compute? Compute means to calculate. But a computer is not limited to a calculating device. Computers are versatile and can handle different applications at the same time. Let us see the major milestones in the evolution of today's computer. Early computing machine. Abacus. Abacus is known to be the first mechanical calculating device invented about 5000 years ago by the Chinese. It was used to perform addition and subtraction easily and speedily. Abacus is made up of wooden frame in which rods were fitted across, which grounded sliding on the rod. It is dividing into two parts called heaven and earth. Heaven was the upper part and earth was the lower one. In the upper part having 2 bits and in the lower parts having 5 bits. Sir John Napier. In the year of 1617, John Napier made a calculating device, a set of rectangular rods called a Napier's bone. The rods were made up of covered bones which were used for performing addition, subtraction, multiplication, division and square root. Pascal calculator, also known as Pascal adding machine. In the year of 1642, Blaise Pascal, a French mathematician, invented an adding machine called a Pascal calculator, which represent the position of digit with the help of gears in it. So, it used gears wheels and dials. It was capable of performing adding and subtraction. Leibniz calculator. In the year of 1671, a German mathematician Leibniz modified the Pascal's calculator and he developed a machine to perform various calculations. Leibniz machine could perform various calculations based on multiplication and division as well. So, the Leibniz calculator is performing not only addition and subtraction, even it could perform multiplication, division and also find square root. Charles Babbage. Analytical engine. Okay, so in the year of 1833, a scientist from England known as Charles Babbage proposed the idea of a mechanical general purpose computer. This device was called analytical engine and it is widely accepted as the first design of mechanical computer. It includes many features which are used in today's computer language. Okay, so Charles Babbage machines having includes many features which are used in today's computer language. This was more useful and versatile than the difference engine made by Babbage, because Babbage made lots of different engines and calculator. So it is very useful machine. Okay. Augusta Ada. Lady Augusta Ada is the first programmer. Babbage befriended Augusta Ada, the daughter of the famous poet Lord Byron. Okay, so Augusta Ada is the daughter of the famous poet Lord Byron, who was fascinated by Babbage's ideas. She learned enough about the design of the analytical engine to begin fashioning programs for the still unbuilt machine. While Babbage refused to publish his knowledge for another 30 years and wrote a series of notes wherein she detailed sequence of instruction she had prepared for the analytical engine. The analytical engine remained unbuilt because the British government refused to get involved with this. But Ada earned her spot in history as the first computer programmer. Ada invented the subroutines and was the first to recognize the importance of looping. In the year of 1980s, the US Defense Department named a programming language, Ada, in her honor. Dr. Herman Hollerith. In 1889, an American inventor Hermann Hollerith also applied the Jacquard loop concept to computing. His first task was to find a faster way to computer. The US Census Hollerith used card to store data or information which he fed into a machine that compiled the result mechanically. Each punch card represents one number and the combination of two punch cards represents one letter. Got it? One punch card represents one numbers and combination of two punch cards represent one letter. As many 80 variables could be stored on a single card. Takes compiled their result in just 6 weeks. With Hollerith machine, instead of 10 years in addition to their speed, the punch cards were used to record and store data or information. What is the use of punch card? Punch card used for store information and data. John von Neumann. In the mid-1940s, John von Neumann joined the University of Pennsylvania team. John von Neumann developed the software written in binary code. It was John Neumann who started the practice of storing data and instruction in binary code in memory. In the 1950s, ENIAC was built using binary code. So, EDVOC was built using a binary code. Who was built EDVOC? EDVOC built by John von Neumann. When? In 1950. 1950, EDVOC was built using a binary code. Who built? John Neumann. Okay. So, EDVOC concept of storing different program on punch card. Okay. Howard Aiken. Howard Aiken was the primary engineer in IBM. He was developed the first automatic sequence control calculator. That name is Mark I. It could perform basic arithmetic as well as more complex equations. This is a Mark I. When he Mark I. Okay. So when Mark I built in 1944. Okay. Who built the Mark I? Howard Aiken. Okay. ENIAC. That means Electronic Numeric Integrator and Calculator. This is the first general purpose electronic digital computer. It was invented by John Mauchly and J. Presper Eckert. Who invented ENIAC? ENIAC invented by John Mauchly, Dr. John Mauchly and J. Presper Aglot. UNIAC. UNIAC 1. That means Universal Arithmetic Computer 1. The first commercial electronic computer was also developed by J. Presper Ackert and John Mauchly in 1951. It was also the first computer to handle both numeric and text data. So got it, student? You all are got it this? So here we completed the history of a computer. You all are rest in your home because rest in home better rest in peace. So student, I hope you all are understood what is the evolution of computer and the history of computer. And after this explanation, you will be able to solve all the exercise related to this lesson that is given in your computer book. And student, if you facing any problem, if you have any difficulties, then I will be sending you a PDF file in your Addis app. So please check your answer in this PDF file. Okay.